and Assalamualaikum. I'm from School of Mechanical Engineering, College of Engineering, University Technology Mara. Our group member name is the 5. Our type of case for the study is a system that allows product movement and management tracking. Next is a problem statement. First problem statement is communication between supplier and manufacturer are through phone call, which is the old method for this IR 4.0 era. The second problem statement is paddy process were not well updated to manufacturer by supplier. So the solution for this problem statement is we introduce a paddy process tracking system called the Have2. This app allows supplier to update any paddy process to the manufacturer from paddy planted until harvest. It is to ease the manufacturer to trace the paddy process at the certain location.
Assalamualaikum and good day. So in this section, I'm going to explain the functionality of a product, which is the Have2 mobile apps. So as you can see, this is the first interface for the apps, which is the logged in interface, which is very important for any mobile apps. So once the user has logged in into the account, they will have access to the processes of their paddy field in this case. And if they have more than one field, they just need to swipe to the left and it will open the next step. So this process is actually customizable before the apps is usable for the user. So they can change the process as they desire. And the numbers here indicates the number of days for the process to complete. And as I said earlier, this interface is only applicable to the paddy field owners. And the next interface is the much more detail about the process. So for example, if they clicked here for the first process, they will show the details of the process. And as I said earlier, this app is usable for two parties, which is the paddy field owners and also the factory that process the paddy later when they have harvested the paddy. So for factory or the processor, they have additional interface which they can monitor the production or the harvesting for each paddy field owner that they received. So that is all the function for our product, which is the mobile apps. Let's get straight to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Luqman Haikal bin Abdul Aziz, and today I will explain about the project effectiveness. So first of all, we go to the situation before the project. Basically, before the development of this product, it is difficult for the manufacturer to estimate the influx of uncooked rice from a paddy cultivation location at this time. It is also difficult between two parties to communicate in order to carry out the delivery and milling of the paddy before it is processed and packed. This means that both parties must arrange the schedule of meeting for the paddy processing from the paddy field to the factory. Since today, this country is being affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, this is also will be affected the process execution and the manpower efficiency in the factory for the paddy process. Next, we go to the effect after the project. Basically, with the availability of this application or these apps, the manufacturer and the owner of the paddy field can communicate through this application via online. Furthermore, the producer or the owner may monitor the processing of the paddy at each stage of the paddy growth. This is to facilitate the monitoring of the entry of unprocessed paddy into the factory for the packaging and other operation in the factory. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nurshafika binti Ali. I'm going to explain the advantages using the Have2 application. The main benefit in terms of on-site tasks is the manufacturer and supplier do not need to visit the location every day, as the application reports and monitor everything. As a result, bottleneck on-site may be avoided and the COVID-19 spread can be reduced. Worker will be more focused on their tasks as well. Next, the benefit in terms of supervision is by this application we have a proper on the business cooperation. This is because the supplier and manufacturer can track from the beginning of the planting to the delivery. Therefore, this can reduce waste in terms of defect, waiting, transportation, motion, and also inventory. For the next benefit is two-way communication. This system also benefits these two parties by facilitating interaction in paddy processing. Then, manufacturer and owner no longer need to set a time and location to make any arrangement involving the paddy harvesting and milling processing. Therefore, this system can help to reduce face-to-face interaction that can lead to COVID-19 spread. Other than that, through this application, it also improves the QCDMS. Quality is capable of producing high-quality rice by ensuring that each process is performed correctly and on time. Cost is reduced transportation costs. Delivery is that supplier can notify the manufacturer of the delivery date without any delivery issue arising between the two parties. Moreover, it creates a healthy work environment by allowing both the supplier and the manufacturer to track all activities via an application which can reduce the conflict. Safety is reduce the bottleneck, thus reducing the spread of COVID-19 virus.
The application will be estimated to keep relevance in the market for 5 to 6 years. This is because the operating system for the app allowed to be updated depending on the needs and the technology of the time. As for improvements of the project, the current project does have rooms for improvement. Our suggestions for the future project is to install a medium such as a sensor or a mini camera on the paddy field to monitor the change of process for the paddy. Second, since the industry are moving towards Industry 4.0, it is being suggested that the data captured by the medium will be stored on the cloud and being displayed on the apps for user reference without the need of human validation as being worked in the current project.